Hello and welcome. In this video, we will walk you through steps to deploy VM series in KVM. There are 3 simple steps for deployment of VM series. First, you need to download the image. Secondly, install the VM series on KVM. And finally, configure the firewall. So let's get started. First, let's download the image file. If you have enrolled for free trial, you can download the image from the email you have received from Palo Alto. In case you have been allotted eval license or flex credits, you can download the image from Support Portal. You can navigate to Updates and select the KVM image from the dropdown. Once you have the images downloaded, you can start with the installation on KVM. Now that we have the image file downloaded, we will now deploy the firewall. This instance here shows Ubuntu OS. KVM has already been installed here. We can verify it using the command. Let us check the interfaces here. This KVM instance has SRIOV enabled. Each interface has 2 virtual functions enabled. To install the VM series firewall, we will use Virtual Manager. This provides an easy UI to deploy any VM on KVM instance. I have already installed the Virtual Manager. To initiate the application, just enter the command virt manager. This will initiate the application. Once you open the Virtual Manager, you can view all the instances deployed. To install a VM series, select File and choose Create a new virtual machine. Choose the option to import existing disk image. Select the QCOV image which was downloaded. In the next step, select the OS version. Next, allocate the memory and virtual CPUs for the firewall. Provide the name for the VM. Under Network Selection, the default is the Management Interface. Click on Finish. This initiates the deployment of VM series. You can edit the capacity and configuration of the VM series from the same UI. You can increase or decrease the vCPU. You can add more storage and network adapters from Add Hardware section. Once the installation completes, you can open the console for the firewall by clicking on it. I already have a VM series installed. Let us check the config. The PCI host device shows the list of available interfaces. Let us select the SRIOV enabled interfaces. You can verify the interface from our CLI output earlier. You can select and add it. Once you have made the changes, you can open the console and log in using the default credential, which is admin. You can use show commands to verify the configurations on the firewall. You are now ready to configure policies and inspect traffic in your KVM environment. Let us now see some of the basic configuration on the firewall. Log into the firewall using management credentials. Once logged in, you can configure the interfaces of the firewall from the Network tab. To define the security policies, you can go to the Policies section. Default intra- and interzone policies are available by default. To license the firewall with Flex credits, go to Devices and License. Here, you can upload the auth code to activate the license. The free trial image is pre-licensed, and hence you can skip this step. This brings us to the end of this demo. For more information, please visit our website to learn more. Thank you for watching.